Hey guys, we got another lot of Fisher-Price rescue toys. We got this big Fisher-Price rescue fire truck, Rescue Heroes Unit Number 9. This boat, this inflates. This helicopter, and then we have 10 men included also in this set. These are all Fisher-Price rescue men. Does include some accessories or attachments for the men. Check out more of the pictures if you have any questions. If you have any questions, please send us a message. If you have any questions, please let us know. These toys are used. As you can see, the blade and the helicopter's bent. Some of the toys, the battery noise may not work. All the toys are functionable and will be great to play with and will keep your kid busy for hours. This is a great set. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a great day.